Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down the notification panel, extend it, and you'll see the hotspot toggle right here, so you can simply tap on it to enable it, but we should probably first set it up. So hold the toggle and this will take us to settings, and from here set up or set LAN Tethering. So this is this one. So let's see, we have security. So number one, let's change the security to, for instance, right here, WPA2, and then password. So we want to put in a password. Now it doesn't really matter what you choose, just something that I can remember. So I'm gonna make a fairly easy one. Now it needs to have 8 characters in length, and let's tap on done. Now I would not advise on setting the hide network unless you choose to not have any password, because otherwise you will have to go into Wi-Fi and from there tap on add manually. It won't show in your list of the visible networks. And also you have the option right here, or you don't, you have drop down menu for no reason. In certain other devices you would have 2.4 gigahertz band and also the 5 gigahertz. So the 5 gigahertz would be a better one, but not every device will be able to handle it. So for instance, this one I assume doesn't even see the 5 gigahertz, that's why it doesn't show it as an option to even set it. So from there, once you have set the password, and you can also change the name before you finish up here to something else if you wish to, or you can just keep it as it is. That's basically how it's going to appear in your Wi-Fi list, if you didn't select this, of course. So once you have set the name, password and all that, tap on OK, and you can leave this area. You can pull down the notification panel and enable it now. And then if you go into Wi-Fi list, it will show up as the MEIZU M8 as the name was, with a password as we have set it. At least in my case, was basically 1 through 8, and yeah, you can connect using this password. And once you're done, you can simply tap on the toggle again and turn it off. So that is basically how you would enable and set up the hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.